Okay, so basically what we got here is this light fixture right here.
Okay, previously we showed you guys how to install these new LED lights, the lanterns, the post lights that we have outside.
These were the old ones that we had, okay? So you got a photocell here. These bad boys, the ones that we just barely installed.
Que agarramos del Home Depot.
Yeah, right there. They don't come with the little photocell. So this one I'm not worrying about it because we got a switch on the back. For that one, we always, the one on the right side,
The one
that
over
one
there.
has constant power going to it. Okay?
Yeah, we want it to be.
So we want that one to have a photocell, so it can turn on at night and turn on. Yeah, turn on at night and turn off at you know, the daytime. So since the photocell still works in this bad boy, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and put this photocell somehow on that one.
So he's gonna introduce that.
But I
También puedes hablar español porque está Spanglish.
okay, yeah. So I believe that I got the original photocell. This one is not the original one. This might be a little bit too bulky. Okay, but there it is. Basically, the way that the photocell works is real simple. Okay, you got, let's see how it goes. You got black yeah, you got the black one. Okay, you got this black one and a white wire. Okay, the black one is feeding the power to the photocell. Okay, to the photocell. Once you cover the photocell, then it lets the power pass to the red one, and the red one is going to be going to the black one, which is the what do you want to call this one? The ballast of the LED. So you got the black wire feeding the power, and then the red one feeding the power back to the ballast. So we can go ahead and remove this bad boy. Yeah, you got to remove the wire nuts. But I'm thinking that this photocell might be a little bit too big. Way too big for the one, because I want to be able to hide it.
¿No se lo puedes poner por arriba o por al lado?
I might be able to, pero el little photocell que tengo is a small one.
¿Es smaller than that one?
Yeah. Let me see if I can.
A ver, vamos a ver. ¿Dónde lo tienes? Vamos a seguirlo algo pasito ahí. Yeah.
This one is the other one that is gonna. We're just gonna be holding on to this one.
Okay. Because we're gonna put something in the back.
It might be a little trashy in here.
No,
Okay, here it is.
You're organizing
Mira.
stuff. Oh yeah, that's a way smaller one.
So we might be able to put this one somehow, integrate this one.
Okay.
Well, I'm pretty sure that it still works. It should work.
¿De ese dónde lo agarraste?
De one of these fixtures.
Oh.
Yeah, so mira, this one is the original one. And all we gotta do is just get these bad boys just like that. That'll do it.
¿Y ese cómo se llama?
Photocell.
No, este.
Wire strippers.
Oh.
Yeah, wire strippers.
Because I don't know either, so I want to know the name of the tools you're using for this.
No, that's good.
It's like,
Okay, so.
todos aprenden, Tony. No la gente sabe sabiendo todo. So you're going to do this when it's live, así?
Yeah, the second thing, I can't express how much you need to get the right material, the right everything, alright? You want to make sure you get the right ladder, okay? This is not the right ladder. The ladder that we're using is this bad boy. You want to be using this crap right here. I trust that one instead of this one.
So that's a decoration, silly boy.
Okay.
That is so funny que está todo el este.
Baby, you want to turn off the power?
Ya, vamos a ir al
power's
break.
in
A ver. Para ir a apagarla.
You gonna take it with you, Light?
Yeah. It's a live vlog. Well, not that live, but yeah. Mira los mendigos roosters or whatever. Se despiertan bien tarde. Trying to fix the top of the insulation. Por eso está también eso de ahí. Trying to fix the back. They're late on waking us up. I think we woke them up. Okay.
There's that one. Which one is it? Patio light. Go ahead, turn it off. That's good.
The breaker. Okay, we're in the building of the making of. We're gonna do an backyard little kitchen grill. Por eso está todo eso. But that'll be in the next video later on. So stay tuned for that, guys, too. There you go. Cálmate tú. Pues sí, I want them to see all the steps. You know that we're doing. Oh. Done. What is gonna do it?
Follow me. I don't like this ladder
Wow.
anymore. Okay, no power.
Donnie. I thought you were gonna stay over here too.
Holy crap. You heard that?
Wow. We have a camera right there in the top of the thing. So por eso miren eso también ahí.
You want to protect your investment, you know?
So ¿qué es lo que estás haciendo?
Okay, so we're removing this bad boy.
Because you have to connect it? Yeah.
Yeah, to figure out we're going to be able to, what's that, put a photocell. We're going to do it. I mean, that's no question. Okay, there's that. Okay. I just gotta get this bad boy out of here.
¿Qué es lo que estás desconectando? ¿Qué es lo que estás haciendo?
Well, we just right now, we just seeing what we got here. Okay, so we got this bad boy. That we can either hide it somehow like this. Okay, somehow we can hide it like this.
Oh, para que apenas se mire. Oh, that'd be cute, like that.
Somewhere, you know what I mean? We just gotta. The wires are not long enough, but I'll make them work.
Can you just add more wire to it, or no?
Yeah, we have to.
Cuando tienes otros wire nuts, o no se puede.
Sí. No, we'll get it going somehow. As long as that photocell, I think the photocell should work.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get rid of these because I know that I'm going to drop them. I'm being closer to it. I don't want the video to be forever, but so if you want to pause every once in a while, you do that.
Okay. So ahorita lo más estar removiendo los wires para hacer space, okay?
Just want to get them up.
So make your space, guys, so you guys can see where you guys gonna put the photocell at.
I cannot express this enough. Make sure the power's off.
They already saw you turning off the breaker with me.
That's funny. Okay. So, man, these are way too short.
Okay, so I'm going to do a second part because my limit on my phone. The recording is almost done, so see the second part, guys.